Hey everyone, welcome back to Ton Orbital. It's Tonio here, and in today's video we're gonna walk you through how to deposit, buy, sell, and withdraw TON tokens using the xRocket bot on Telegram. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, xRocket makes it easy to manage your crypto right within Telegram. Let's get started. xRocket is a Telegram bot that acts as a universal crypto wallet. You can use it to buy, store, send, and exchange cryptocurrency. It even supports creating checks, managing invoices, and accepting payments with Rocket Pay, which makes it great for businesses and individuals alike. Let's begin by depositing some TON into your xRocket wallet. Here's how to do it. Open Telegram and search for the xRocket bot. The link is in the description. Once you start the bot, navigate to the My Wallet section. Here, you'll see your current balance of various tokens. To deposit funds, click on Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. xRocket supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and TON tokens. Here we choose TON. xRocket will generate a deposit address for you. Simply send your funds to this address, and they will appear in your xRocket wallet once the transaction is confirmed. After you have sent your tokens, click on the Check Deposit button. We have received our deposited TON. As you can see, the 0.1 TON has been added, and it is now visible in our wallet. Now let's go back to the main menu. Then click on the exchange button. Here you have two choices. First, we will choose the web exchange. Here you have three choices available to you. The first option is Convert, which functions as a simple swap, allowing you to exchange one token for another easily. Another option is Trade, which lets you buy and sell directly to other users. Here we want to buy some Durev tokens. We need to either set our own price for a Durev token or select from the current prices listed by others. Then we can specify how much Durev we want to purchase, either by indicating the number of tokens or by opting to use half of our TON. After you are done, click on Buy, then check the information and confirm. The third option is Challenges, where you can participate in challenges you like and win prizes. And here you can check your order history. Here's the success notification confirming our purchase of the Durev tokens. As you can see, our wallet has been updated and we have 19 Durev tokens. Now let's try the bot exchange feature. So, what exactly is an order book? An order book is a ledger or digital list that contains all the buy and sell orders placed by traders for a specific asset, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, on a trading platform. Here we have two options. We can choose to buy from or sell to the ongoing orders, or we can create our own custom order. We'll choose the order book, then select the pair of tokens we want. Next, we'll choose to sell our TON to someone who wants to buy TON for USDT. Now, we'll check the order information and click on the amount button to enter the amount of TON we want to sell. We'll review the order information one last time and then click the Create Order button. It's done. The order has been completed and we have received our success notification. Now let's return to our wallet to check if we received the USDT from selling our TON. As you can see, we have successfully received the USDT token and it's now in our wallet. Now, let's try to make a custom order. After hitting Create Order, choose the pair of tokens you want. Here we'll choose TON USDT. Next, we will decide if we want to sell TON for USDT or buy TON using USDT. We will choose Sell. Next, we will have to specify our order type. We have two options. Market orders execute at the current market rate for quick trades, while limit orders let you specify a price but may take longer to fill. We will choose Market Order. Now we'll set the amount of TON we want to sell. After that, we'll review the order information and click Create Order. Now the order is in the order book and we'll wait for it to be completed. All done. By checking our wallet, we can see that we've received our USDT for the TON we sold. Now, let's withdraw the Durev tokens we just bought. First, we'll access our wallet and click the Withdraw button. Next, select the currency you want to withdraw. Here, we'll choose TON tokens and then select the specific token for withdrawal, which we will choose Durev. Remember, to cover the network fee, ensure you have enough TON for your TON token withdrawals. Enter how much you want to withdraw or click the maximum button to withdraw the full amount. Now we need to give xRocket a wallet address for our withdrawal. Check the transaction information, then click on Confirm. And that's it. You now know how to deposit, buy, sell, and withdraw cryptocurrency using xRocket. It's a super easy and secure way to manage your crypto, and the best part is, it's all done within Telegram. No need for separate apps or KYC or registration. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital for the latest news and updates in the Ton ecosystem. See you in the next video.